Good day, sir. I'm Steven B. Loyloy. So, sa code, sir, is I use 4 types of things header. And first is the stdio.h. It uses for an input and output operations like sa printf and if gets. And sunod is string h. Kani siya ga-provide siya function for manipulating strings like sa strings. Then sa c-type.h siya gahatag siya function to check the properties of characters. Sa like example sa sa isalpha, gina-check niya if ang character is a letter. And if letter, yang i-lower, yung ipagamay. Nagagamit siya to lower, to convert the character to lowercase. Mogamay din siya. So, finally, ang pinaka-last is TDI lib.h. Kani ga-include siya function for memory management like malloc, reloc, and free. And kani yung define max length is dire. Kanin siya defines a constant that specify the maximum length of the input paragraph. So mura siya limit na ma-input na ako 500 letters characters ra. So next kaning C-type structure, type depth structure. This part is the defined structure called word count. The structure is used to store a word and its frequency in the text. It has 2 fields, word, word, which is a pointer to a string dynamically allocated to hold each word, and count, which is an integer that tracks how many times that words appear in the paragraph. This structure will help to store the word under counts as we process the text. Function normalize words, which is the void. This normalized word function ensures that the words are processed in the case-insensitive manners and only contains alphabetical characters. So, alphabetical or jud ang iyang ginadawat. Dili niya ginadawat ang mga numbers. And it takes char as input. Char word as input. This function loops through each character in the lower and copy a new position in the word. Non-alphabetical characters are skipped after the processing the word. A null terminator is added narang pinakalas sa word. Null terminator. Mag-stop na din siya. Next. Sa in compare. This compare function is used for sorting array of word count structure alphabetical order. The sorting function qsort call this function to compare 2 elements of the array. The function compares the word field in the 2 word count structure. It uses strcomp, which returns a negative value if the first word is smaller than the second. Sa main function din na to. Sa main function, input heading, handling. Okay. In this main function, declare ko diri paragraph array to hold the inputs string nga up lang sa 500 characters. And kaning word array is a pointer to array of word count structure that we will store the words under frequencies. Kaning word count is gatrack po siya how many unique words nga ma-encounter na to the program. Then prompt the user to enter a paragraph. It reads using the fgets, which simply captures up to max length characters from the standard input and handle the new line characters as well. Sa dayon agree. Next kay ang loop nato dire. The programs tokenize the input paragraph into individual words using strtalk and split the input string into tokens based on specified delimiters. In this case, space, new line, tabs, and carriage returns. The loops continue as long as strstack returns valid tokens words. For each token words, the word is copied into a temporary array normalized word using strcopy. Then the word is passed to the normalized word function, which removes the non-alphabetical characters and converts into the word to lowercase. Kaning skip empty words dayon. Kani siya gina-check niya if ang normalized words is empty. Example, mag-contain siya no valid letters. Ma-happen ni siya if the word was made up entirely of punctuation mark. If the word is empty, the program skip it and move to the next token by calling strtalk again. And found. Kaya na-check siya if the word is already accessed, murag gina-check niya. Kani nga program is nga code nga part is gina-check niya if the normalized word already exists in the word array. It does this by comparing the current normalized word which each word is already stored in the word array using strcomp. It finds a match and increments the word's count and set found is equals to 1 to indicate that the word is already in the list. Then the program breaks out of the loop na dahil siya. If na po siya bago nga word, gina-add din niya sa array sa babaw. And if the word is not found in the word array, the programs add it to the array first and resize the word array to accommodate one word using real lock. Then it copies the normalized word into the new position in array using strdup, which allocate the memory for the new words and copy it there. Words count is initialized to 1 and word count is incremented to the reflect addition of the new word. Kaning token dire, get next token is the kani siya function called age. Kani nga function is tawag siya balik para i-retrieve yang next token nga word from the paragraph. Continue ni siya until the words have been processed. Last. Tara. Output concordance. Kaning once na the word nga masorted na siya, the programs print each word and its frequency. The word is left aligned in the field that is 15 characters wide. In the frequency, it's displayed next to it. After printing the word, the dynamically allocated memory for each word is spread using free, which ensure the memory is leaked. Finally, ang last kaning free word array siya ga-friend siya all words and freeing the memory allocated for each word. The program frees the memory used to word array itself. This ensures that all dynamically allocated memory is properly released before the program exists. And that's all. Sir, thank you.